Hey everyone, did you know a 2025 study found that 89% of people fail with 16/8 fasting because of hidden mistakes? Today, I'll reveal 3 groundbreaking hacks from Oxford's metabolic labs to crush insulin resistance. First, let's talk about circadian fasting synergy. 2025 research from Harvard showed that fasting from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. improved insulin sensitivity by 53%. Software developers who use this moonlight fasting protocol slashed their HOMA-IR by 37%. And here's a tip from a teacher. Breaking your fast with apple cider vinegar can drop your post-meal glucose by 28%. Try it out. Next up, Hack 2, Nutrient Timing Matrix. A Stanford trial found that starting your eating window with protein-first meals boosts GLUT4 activation by 61%. Visualize this. Vinegar first, then greens, fats, and finally carbs. This sequence flattens your glucose curves as shown by CGM data. And a bonus tip, add a tablespoon of chia seeds before fasting. Their soluble fiber slows carb absorption by 43%. Incredible, right? Finally, Hack 3, Movement Microdosing. Cambridge's findings showed that using resistance bands for just 5 minutes every 4 fasting hours increased insulin receptor density by 29%. Also, taking a 15-minute walk after meals can activate muscle glucose uptake. Remember, insulin resistance isn't fate, it's molecular muscle memory. Thanks Dr. Rachel Nguyen for that insight. Now if you want to turn 16/8 fasting into your insulin eraser, smash that subscribe button. Reset, Insulin Reset Kit, a circadian fasting calendar, GLUT4 activating recipes, a glucose response tracker. Your pancreas will thank you. Reset, subscribe, and let's rewire our metabolism together. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Cheers.